repeat my thing. You can listen carefully. The first thing is compass. See, the compass is an instrument we can use for the finding the directions and orientations. It will work based on the geographical directions. Okay, so in the microbit, how can you use? In the input we have the one block is there, that is the compass heading block. Actually this block will be written the output as degrees. So how many degrees are there? So what is the compass heading, which side it is showing, so that degrees it will rotate. So suppose if you want to see the result, you need to use the show number block. In that one compass heading it will show. See, if you have the microbit, you can directly, you can turn that microbit like this, you can use it. But in the virtual microbit, suppose if you want to turn, so this logo, it will be work as a compass heading. Now it is showing east side. Just now only we discussed. Okay, north always 0, east 90, south 180, west 270, again not 0 or 360 degrees. Now it is showing east, that's why 90 degrees it is showing. Suppose I turn to this one to 6, then it's see here it is showing the 5. So I using the mouse, I can click this one, I can turn like this. Okay, which side I want to turn, I can turn like this. Suppose if you have the microbit, you can download this program to your microbit and you can turn your microbit like this. Okay, which side you want to do, you can turn like this. So now I'm going to give you one task. Who have the microbit, those people just just make this small code, okay, for our show number compass setting. Make this small code, okay, and find out what is the angle of your sitting position. You can just find out and post me in the chat box. Okay, and who want to write in the JavaScript? One more time I'm explaining. Just see this one. Here, if I want to find out the compass thing, so the function name is compass heading. Okay, compass heading. This function will be in the input class. So input dot compass heading. Actually, if you write it, it will return the value. That value we need to store in some variable, or else we need to display in the block. So show number block will be useful to show this one. Show number block, we can keep it. And see, show number block is available at basic. So basic BASIC. Basic dot show number block. It will be helpful. NUMBR, yeah. So if you want to continuously display this one, simply we can put in the forever block. So basic dot forever forever we can use in that function. We can keep this one. Now you can see the result here. If I'm moving very fast, one more time I will explain. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are just finding the value of compass heading. Compass is which side turn. So compass heading. So this one we are taking. This will be in the available at input folder. So input dot compass heading. So actually it will be returning the some degrees value, number value. If you want to display that one, so you need to keep it in basic dot show number block. Using this block we can show this value. But if you want to keep on do that one, so you need to put it in the forever block. So basic dot forever you can take it. Okay, in this forever function you can take it. CTION function, and you can take it and you can cut this one. You can paste it here. So it will display the value here. Now it is showing 90. If you want to turn to which side, you can turn it. So 355. Now I want to put it like a 5. So it will display the 5 lines. So which side I am turning, that side value it is showing. So now what you do, everyone, please make this programming. Okay, write this code and download to your microbit and please check it out. So here in this microbit, it is showing in degrees. Okay, it is showing in degrees. Degrees means like a 0 degrees, 9 degrees, 180 degrees, 270, 360. It is showing.
1 hour 15 minutes.
Yes, like
1
that.
hour.
So what we can do, okay, what we can do one thing. So instead of that one, we need to display the letters. Suppose it is a north, it will show the N. If it is a south, it should show the south. If it is a east, it should show the E. If it is a west, it should show the double V. So like that we need to make it. So for that purpose, actually what we can do here, we are taking this. This is one thing. In this one, if you observe here, see here, if you see here, the north is 0 degrees. Okay, so what we can do here, 345 degrees to 45 degrees. So from here to here, actually it is showing my angle is this one. Okay, so if you turn like this, it will be coming like that. And now see students, one second. Yeah, so students listen carefully. So we will take one thing, 345 to 45 degrees. Any angle between this one, we need to show the north. From 45 to, okay, here 135. Okay, then we need to display the east. So from 135 to and 240 to 25, it is a south. Okay, from here to here, it is a west. I need to display like this. Okay, do you understand what I'm explaining here? Suppose this is our compass. So what I'm doing here, I am making this one into 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. So one is here, another one is here. So actually our part is like this. So here actually it is a north one. It is a north one. Okay, suppose if I want to take the north, you know it is a 0 degrees. Okay, you know it is a 180 degrees. You know here 90 degrees. You know here it is 270 degrees. Okay, now what I'm doing here, 270 here 0 degrees plus 360 degrees. You will keep 260 plus 270 plus 360, average value is like a 350. We will take this one. Okay, here it is a 45. Here is a 135. Here is a 225. Okay, now what I'm doing here, if the any angle between the 350 to 45, I need to make the display the string as a n. If any angle between the 45 to 135, I want to display the string is east. 135 to 225, it is a west. Sorry, south. 225 to 350, it is a south. I want to display like this. So how can we do it? This one, I will